Welcome all to our channel GTech Fluent. Our today's topic number 2 in Angular 11 video tutorial series is setting the local environment to run our Angular application. So in this video, we will discuss what are the tools and software required to run our Angular application, what are the steps to install the Angular 11 application, and we will create our first Angular application which we are going to be used for this video tutorial series. So first we see what are the tools and softwares are required to run Angular 11 application. So to get started with an installation, we first need to make sure we have Node.js and Node Package Manager installed with the latest version. So the npm or Node Package Manager is get installed with the Node.js. So you don't need to install npm separately. You can go to the official website of the Node.js and you can download the latest version. So the current version of the Node.js is 14.16. So you can download here. Once you install the node onto your machines, follow the steps that is provided by the installer and complete the installation on the node. Next tool we require the VS Code, which is the IDE we are going to be used for the Angular application. So you can use any of the IDE which is available like Atom, WebStorm, Visual Studio. But in this video tutorial series, we are going to be use VS Code. You can go to the official website of the VS Code and you can download this VS Code IDE. It is open source and free to use. Next, we will see how to install the Angular. To install the Angular 11, the Angular team came up with the Angular CLI, which is make easier to installation into the process. So we need to run few commands to install the Angular 11. You can go to the official website of the Angular, that is cli.angular.io, and you can follow this command. If you see, there are the four commands over there. First, you need to install the Angular globally for your machine. Next, you need to create the app and you need to run the app. So let's follow this step and create our first Angular application. So we are into the Angular side. They have provided these steps to create the Angular application. So let's run this first step. You can run either into the command line or the VS Code. So let's go to the VS Code. So we are in this VS Code IDE. Go to the terminal, click on the new terminal, paste the command and enter. So it will take some time to install the Angular CLI into your machine. So if you notice, the Angular 11 version, which is the latest version, is installed to my machine. So this is the package they have installed along with this Angular CLI. So we need to create the project. So let's go to the particular directory where you want to create the project. So I want to create the project inside my particular directory. So go to that particular directory and we are creating under the Angular 11. We are in our directory now. So next command, we need to create the project. For creating the project, you need to use the command. That command is provided under the documentation. So you can go to there. So the command is ng new. You need to use ng new and you need to give the application name which you want to create. So let's copy this and go to the VS Code, paste it here, and we'll give our application name. We'll give our application name as a GTech demo app. Enter. So if you notice, I am getting some error here. So if you face this kind of error, let's go to the your installed version of the node. Let's go to the particular path and here you can search for the ng.ps1. Either you can delete or cut from here. So I will cut as of now and now try to run the ng new GTech demo app. So it is asking like, do you want to add the routing? Yes. Which version of the CSS we are going to be use for our video tutorial? We are going to be use SCSS. So let's choose that. So it will take some time to create the application. So our application is created. So let's go inside the our application GTech. And if you run the command ng, so this command will run your application into the browser. So let's enter. Our application is compile and run successfully under this 4200 port. So let's open this localhost 4. So our application is running. So in this way you will create your application. So in this way you can refer this tutorial setuping your environment and creating your first Angular application. In our next video we will discuss how the project structure of the Angular 11. Please let us know if anyone has any query or doubt. We will meet in our next video. Thank you.